Hi all, welcome to the new video of Computer Fundamentals and HTML. In this video we are going to discuss software component of computer system. We know that a computer is an electronic device that receives information called input, process information called data processing, and output information called output. Then as a system, computer having two parts, computer hardware and computer software. Now first computer hardware, the tangible part, that the physical part uh, of a computer are called hardware. Examples are case, central processing unit, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer data storage, graphic card, sound card, speakers, and motherboard. Moving to the software, it is a collection of data or computer instructions that tell the computer how to work. It is a collection of programs contain a set of instructions. It can be two types: system software and application software. As a system, here is the diagram: hardware in the center, system, then system software, then application software, and they connect user. We have first system software. It is a set of programs that manage the resources of a computer system, that provide routine services and assist in the development of application programs. Examples are operating system and language processor. Here first we have operating system. In the diagram we have user, OS, computer. Operating system is a type of system software that controls the execution of application programs and which manages the resources of the computer. It is the interface between user and computer. So OS is the interface between user and computer. User can be admin, user, or programmer. Then examples of OS are Windows, Linux, etc. Its features are processor management, memory management, and file management. Now we have several types of operating system. Single user OS, only one user at a time for a single function. Example Macintosh. Now batch processing system, batch of jobs together. It used as very first method of processing which was adapted. Then multi-programming system, more than one user's program can reside in my memory and multiple jobs are loaded into the memory and each is allotted some CPU time. Now next type of OS, that is time sharing system. The time of the CPU can be shared by the users, and real-time systems, immediate processor and up-to-date information are major characteristics of a real-time system. You can get the files, update the files very quickly. And last type of OS, that is distributed system, that is networking environment. A network OS handle the communication between the network computers, managing the data traffic and the sharing of system resources. We have some popular operating systems: DOS, command oriented, which was developed by Microsoft. Then MS Windows, it provides graphical user interface. Now Unix, developed in 1969 at Bell Labs. It supports both assembly and graphical user interface. Now Linux by Linus Torvalds. Examples are Fedora, Red Hat, OpenSUSE, Ubuntu, etc. Now our next system software, that is system language processor. Language processors in a programming language, it is an artificial language designed to express computer that can be performed by a computer. So we have several programming languages called machine languages, assembly languages, Machine language is called binary, which is the combination of 0 and 1. To convert this machine language into high-level language such as C, C++, and Pascal, we use language processor. So, language processors are software designed to accept a program written in some high-level languages and translate into low-level languages. Examples for translator are compiler, assembler, and interpreter. First one, compiler. Compiler accepts a program written in high-level language as input and product its machine language equivalent as output. Example C, C++, Pascal, etc. Now, moving to assembler, it is a more convenient language using some codes called mnemonics, symbols, such as add for addition, sub for subtraction. For each machine instruction was developed. Such a mnemonic language is called assembly language. Now, interpreter. Interpreter is similar to compiler. It translates high-level instruction into intermediate form, which is then executed. Compiler takes the whole program, while interpreter takes program line by line. That is the major difference. Compiler takes the whole program, while interpreter takes program line by line. So, a language processor convert high-level language into machine acceptable format. Now, moving to application software, we have the definition. Application software includes program that enables you to perform various specific tasks generally required in home, school, and business. These softwares, that is, application software, needs system software to run. It can be of two types, licensed and open source. Licensed means you need to give some money for, or you need to pay for the software. These are copyright protected except material in the public domain. Example, antiviruses, Windows. Now moving to open source software, that is free in nature. Without payment you can purchase the software. Examples are Linux, then some Adobe, etc. Here we have some examples for major application software: word processing software, MS Word; spreadsheet software, MS Excel; then presentation software, MS PowerPoint, etc. Now we have the overall details. Computer having two parts, hardware and software. This hardware consisting CPU, which consists of ALU, CU and registers. Then input unit. Examples are keyboard, mouse, joystick, trackball, magnetic tape, floppy, CD drive, DVD drive, OMR, barcode reader, scanner. Then output unit. Examples are monitor, printer, plotter. Moving to software, we have two types of software: system software and application software. In the system software, we have OS, operating system and language processor. In the application software, we have packages, utilities, and customized softwares. So this is about computer hardware and software. Thank you.